Let's count some sounds together. Hi there, it's Miss Mason. And today, what you're going to need is a piece of paper and some markers. You're also going to need something to count with. Today, I'm going to use some spider erasers. You can use different things such as cars or something else small to count with. What we're going to get started with today is we're going to first make our soundboard. You're going to need a red and a green marker. Then you're also going to need another color. I chose black. This is what you're going to use to write your numbers. On the left side, you're going to make a green circle all the way onto the left side. This is where you start. We start on the left side. Go ahead and color in your green circle. Then, all the way on the right side, this is where we're going to stop. So we're going to make red, a red circle. Red means to stop. Then you can go ahead and color in your circle. Then what you're going to do is draw 4 big squares. I'm going to draw black squares. 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares. This one kind of looks like a rectangle. I ran out of room. But now what you're going to do is label your boxes. We're going to start with 1, then write a 2, then a 3, then the number 4. If you need to pause the video to go ahead and complete your sound box, you may do so now. All right, your paper should look exactly like mine, and you should have 4 of something, whether that be cars, erasers, something else small, any kind of small toys that you can use to count. Maybe you have some stones. I'm going to play some sounds, and I want you to place a counter on however many sounds I make. So if I make one sound like this, you're going to move a counter to the box number 1 because I made one sound. Go ahead and bring your counters back. What if I do this? Listen one more time. As I make each sound, I want you to take a counter and move it. Ready? How many sounds did I make? I made 1, 2 sounds. Great job. Go ahead and take your counters off, and I'm going to make some new sounds. Are you ready? Listen carefully. How many sounds did I make? As I make these sounds, I need you to move your counters up. Ready? I made 1, 2, 3 sounds. Go ahead and remove your counters and listen again. How many sounds did I make? Wow, that was a lot of sounds. I'm going to do it one more time, and as I make the sounds, try to count them with your counters. Ready? How many sounds did you hear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. I'm going to make some more sounds. Go ahead and clear off your counters and listen carefully. Ready? How many sounds did I make? Listen again and move your counters up as I make the sound. I made one sound. Very good job. All right, we're gonna play one more. All right, go ahead and clear your counters. How many sounds did you hear? As I make the sounds, move up your counters. One, two, three. 3 sounds. Thank you so much for counting our sounds with me today. I hope you had lots of fun.